Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Umi Saidah. Saya akan melanjutkan novel yang dibacakan oleh Agia. But I tried to cast them out of my mind. That night was all we had, and I wouldn't let bad things go in our way. I remember the first time we went to the beach. It was raining a lot. We went up talking inside the bar and wasting our time daydreaming about the summer. Yes, I remember that. It was fun. His face looked bright in the faint light of the moon. I felt like we lost in the moment. His face somehow looked like a child, the innocence and the purity coming out to the surface. We sat there on the sand, healing our broken hearts. The roar of the waves sounded new to me, like it never before. I've never been a fan of the ocean or what inside it. But that night, I fell in love with how it treats us. The sense of the water and sand make a good combination under the dark of the night. The wondrous picture of the memory we were making, warming up the coldest of it. I love watching the moon at the beach. Me too, it is beautiful. The surface of the ocean was glimmering like twinkling stars. Tomorrow, everything will change, and everything we had from that night and backwards were only part of the past. I'm glad we met it tonight, he said. Some relief, I feel like the weight has finally come down from my shoulder. Yeah, I feel happier and much better. I really enjoyed talking to you, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna miss this. Me too, he smiled and threw his gaze into the brightness of the sky. I'm gonna thank the moon. Yeah, and the sun too. I enjoy it when we talk about things like this. It's liberating somehow. I'm glad I came here. I'm having a good time, and so do I. It will be the most beautiful goodbye ever. The moon looks so pale, but it's shining so bright. Yeah, it really knows how to mend a broken heart, but the stars weren't there to watch us. I think there are probably lots of stars too, but somehow they are hiding. You're probably right, hiding with all the planets behind that black sky. No one else around. Yeah, it's so quiet, only us tonight. The broad open sands before me took away all my sorrow, and the fresh air filled my aching heart. The next day it will take away my happiness. Teardrops came out of my eyes. The burn inside my chest made me hard breathe. To breathe. Are you crying? He asked. It was a perfect place to cry. The sound of the beach was stranger than the sound of pain screaming out inside my lungs. That night we were together so we could part in peace. You better stop or I'll start crying too, he said. Let's now wash this beautiful night with tears. There's too much water already in the ocean. I weep my tears. Good girl. I am grateful that I fell for you. He stayed silent, and we were watching the same moon, breathing the same air, looking at each other for one last time. It was beautiful since like a masterpiece of someone's magnificent hand. Part 8. Floating in Space. Tell me a story about the first time you fell in love with me. I asked him. It was one usual night. We were talking in the living room watching movie. I lay my head on his lap and he stroked my hair. It's something we do almost every night. We like to spare 1 hour or two just to talk about things happen in our daily life. I don't know start. Where to start. Of course, you start with the beginning when you realized that you had fallen for me. It came so fast. I didn't even realized it was love. Why do you love me then? I asked him. Because he paused for a moment. You are a funny person. You always entertain me with your stupid jokes, and you're always full of expressions. So, you think my jokes are stupid? I mean stupid in a nice way. How can stupid be nice? Everything with you feels nice. He's a comfort, the place I miss when I'm away. He's the only person I can really feel safe with and be my own self. I still remember the day when I wished for all the things I have now. The lonely days wishing for a perfect health to accompany me through the the ups and downs of life. What it felt like when it struck you. I asked, "What?" "When you fell for me." He paused a moment thinking. It was so strong and gentle at the same time, like for the very first time, those things combined as one, and there was nothing I could do about it. You were all I think about. He played with my hair. How about you? I felt like I felt like I was floating in space. Yes, like all of a sudden, I lost my way. I couldn't stand up on the ground. It was floating happily, and you are the universe of my thoughts. I'm so full of you. I feel infinite. And so we and so we continued our stories until we fell asleep in each other's arms. That's our favorite things to do. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.